Good morning. Sunday morning. We are outside.
Okay.
We open up the playpen so they have more room to roam around and explore. And now it's so hard to get them together on a video. Amy's serving breakfast. It's getting kind of crowded now because they're getting so big. But she's such a patient mom. She's doing so good. We're so proud of her. And there's Daddy. See, we already started with grooming, so they get used to it. Just a little bit here and there, so they know what a comb is and a brush. There's Daddy with, who was that?
Purple and orange.
Purple and orange. And who's that?
It's purple, of course. Oh, blue.
Blue?
It's Blue Boy.
He is trying to get to the back door. Oh my god. So, that's enough. Breakfast is over. Whoops. Now we had to close everything up, the fountain and the roses, so they don't get into trouble. Let me try something. Can you? Can you? Hey! Hey! Hi, guys. Black boy. And red girl. And blue boy. They're playing with Amy and trying to get some more. Whoa. And the big ones are playing.
Oh, great.
Alright, it's so hard to get them